assemble the TEROS Borehole Installation Tool, lay the upper assembly and the lower assembly on a flat surface as shown. Make sure the upper assembly is in position 1. This ensures the inner rod is extended. Move the sensor carriage on the lower assembly also to position 1. Align the rods so the screw holes line up. Insert the screws and tighten firmly but not too tightly. Now that the rods are connected, move the sensor carriage on the lower assembly to position 2 by pulling the carriage up and away from the rod. Insert the assembly jig to hold the carriage in place. This will slide out the inner sleeve. Move the lever on the upper assembly to position 2. While maneuvering the lever, watch to see the sleeve extend and the holes align. Insert the small 1-inch clip into the holes, ensuring a tight fit with no gaps. Remove the jig. Push the outer rods together, aligning the holes. Install the large 1 1/4 inch clip into the holes. To assemble the handle, insert the handle ends into both sides of the lever, aligning the holes. Push the pin through and secure it with the clevis pin. To install the base plate, remove the screw by hand. Rotate the top of the base plate. Slide the base plate onto the lower assembly. Rotate back to the original position. Insert the bolt and tighten. Leave the bolt a little loose so the base plate can be moved up and down. The TEROS Borehole Installation Tool is now ready to install sensors.